Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube video exploring small cottage kitchen design ideas. In this video, we will take you on a journey through the charming world of cozy and functional kitchen design suitable for small cottages. Get ready to be inspired as we explore clever space saving solutions, rustic charm, and timeless style. We will show you how to make the most of limited space by maximizing storage, choosing particle furniture, and utilizing smart layout techniques. From efficient storage solutions to clever organization tips, we have got everything you need to create a kitchen that's both beautiful and practical in a small cottage setting. You will also discover how to infuse your kitchen with the warm and inviting atmosphere that defines cottage style. We will explore color palettes, natural materials, and vintage accents that bring a sense of rustic charm and coziness to your kitchen space. Whether you are looking to renovate a teeny kitchen or simply seeking inspiration for a cozy cooking space, this video will provide you with a wealth ideas and tips to create a small cottage design that both stylish and functional. Join us as we unlock the secrets of small cottage kitchen design and make the most of every inch of your space. I hope you liked today's video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Stay tuned. Bye bye.